Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing on this Haloview wireless reversing camera and give you a chance to win it, so stay tuned. Boom! Okay guys, so like I said in the intro, I'm doing an unboxing of this Haloview reversing wireless monitor camera system, which Haloview kindly sent out to me. And first and foremost, I've got to say a big thank you to Halo for sending it out to me. This must be the slowest review ever. They have patiently waited ages for me to do this. I've been so busy with things and doing other videos that are, you know, on the meetups and running around here, there and everywhere. Along with that and work, I've taken forever to get this done. So I apologise to Haloview, and I also thank them for being so patient with me to actually get this done and get this out there. So sorry and thank you, Haloview. Right, with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? The spec on the back, as you can see. You can pause now. Now I have got cameras on the back of my motorhome. I've got I've got a double system, so it's one's out and one's down, but it is wired in, and it cost me quite a lot of money to wire it in. So this is quite a good alternative. Right, so straight in we've got a very nice user manual, not too big, it's not a massive book, and it looks like the whole manual is in English. Ain't that great? So that's how much you get. You don't need much. Again, there's all the spec, very well laid out and very well packaged. So this is the monitor. Look at that. That is a beautiful monitor. Nice and tidy. I mean, you're definitely going to be able to see your back end on that, aren't you? We've got the camera. Now that feels chunky as anything. That feels really well made. I don't actually know how to get into it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's brilliant. There we go. So they've got the camera, which has got the infrared lights around the side, so you can see at night. Oh, that's a silica packet. But it's all between 10 volts and 32 volts, so it's great for a 24 volt system, or whatever anyone was going to use. What's this? Camera mount magnet. Okay, max magnetic capacity 35 kilos. Okay, so you just screw that in, I suppose. Is that right? Oh Jesus, don't want to put your finger into that. Oops. Oh Jesus, I think I got that stuck. Oh, that's quite a powerful magnet. You can just attach it via a magnet. That's pretty cool. That's very cool. Let's have a look what else we got. That's the stand for the monitor, because I think you can just put that on your dash and yes, and then you well away. That's your power cable. I'm assuming there's going to be some more cables. Yep, here we go. Let me move that. So we've got our power cable, we've got our stand, and here we go. What we've got here, we've got two aerials. That one will be for the camera and that will be for the monitor. Three little baggies of little adjustment wheels, screws, nuts and washers, and Allen key. So you don't even need to go get a different Allen key. They include it in the kit, which is very good. This, which looks very confusing, but I've seen others and I've seen these before. These are all labelled. So this is a power cable, and it says DC power 10 to 32 volts. These are for different cameras. This is your grounding. Reverse camera 4 triggers. They're all for different cameras. But if you're only having one camera, I don't believe you need it. We've got another cable here. I think that's the power cable for the monitor. We've then got the sun shield and another mount for the monitor, because you can monitor it up in the ceiling and then have it here, and you've got the sun visor to go over the top to keep the sun out of it whilst you're cruising on the road. Great. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop alarms.
No alarm has been set.
Just what you need when you're filming. This is a pretty sweet system. Now, like I say, I don't 100% need it. Would someone else make more use of it? It'd be kinder to give it out to someone in the community that would need it, really. But yeah, look at that monitor. I know there's plenty of other van lifers that have been sent this system, so I'm going to link to a few of their videos for their reviews, because they've actually fitted the systems and they've plugged them all in. It's a good system, and it's not major cheap. Like it's good giveaway, because I know a few people use these as security cameras because you can put an SD card in. Okay, so I've run through the unboxing, as you've seen. I thought I'd just quickly wire it up so you guys can see actually how it works. So all I've done is I've got a spare 12-volt socket, which has just got a wired an open end, because this comes, like you've seen in the video, it comes with an open end and then it wires into your system. So this is mine. This won't come with it, because you just wire this into your, it's all in the instructions. So I mean, if you did want one of these, I will drop a link in the description below. If you did want an on-off button, 12-volt button for the camera, so you can just quickly boom, on, off, just exactly the same as this one comes with. So you could actually just wire it in like a bit better than that. We use proper clips and everything, but it's pretty simple. I've turned it on once already for my own curiosity to make sure it worked, ready for this video. But you don't even have to install it, find it, scan it, anything like that. You just turn it on and it found it. So I'm going to turn the monitor on. Before we do anything, I made sure it's on mute, because these actually have sound, so I don't want the feedback. Now I'm going to turn this on, and you're going to see the camera I'm filming on, and you're going to see how quick. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Boom. How quick is that? And now you can see a different view of me, and there's the camera I'm filming on currently right now. But as you can see, it is really quick. Let me just turn the monitor off, so the camera's still on. Okay. And now let me turn the monitor back on and see how quick it works. You're straight on, you're instant. So if you had the camera power wired in to be full-time wired in, then you're gonna be, you're turning that on, you turn the screen on, and you're instantly in business. As you can see in the picture, let me just put that there. As you see in the picture, it's got the aerials, so one goes there and then one goes in the back here. So, and they do go up to a line of sight range of up to 984 feet. I haven't checked that because, like I say, I haven't wired it in, and my motorhome is not 984 feet long, funnily enough. I haven't got any reason to use it for 984 feet. So on here you've got, you've got this whole host of settings. I haven't really even gone through this, to be fair, but there are so many settings. So you can turn the lines on and off, or what camera to display. So you can have 4 cameras, and you can tell which camera you want to have the reversing lines on, because obviously if you've got 4 cameras, maybe one on each side, one at the front and one on the back, you only want the reversing lines on the back to reverse. And when you've got more than one, you can have different viewing modes for camera 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. You can see you've got so many options, and you can have all 4 at once. 2 long, 2 and 2 in the small, in the middle. It really is whatever you want. And It also does a record function, because you can put a little micro SD card in here, which isn't included, but you know, everyone's got micro SD cards. So you could use this for some driving footage if you wanted, or just as a dash cam, anything you wanted. I mean, it's quite open to options. But it's also night vision, so you can see the 4 night vision infrareds. If I, there you go, it flicks straight to infrared, and that's it, flicking straight to infrared. So it does that automatically, and you know, you can see me twice, because that's what you want. That's what everyone wants, to see me, 2 of me. I mean, look, 2 of me, twins. No one wants that. No one wants, not even my own mum wants that. Anyway, so that is the Haloview 720 wireless monitor camera system, kindly donated to myself by Haloview, and they're happy for me to give it away to one of you lucky lot. So all you got to do to win it is be a subscriber of the channel and comment on this video. So you have from now to enter with a comment below and subscribe to the channel, and you have until midnight Monday the 1st of July, and then I will release a short video on the Tuesday the next day saying who's won. I'll video me picking the winner, clicking the button, and a random person will come up from the comments. It will randomly choose from the comments. So make sure you comment below, and yeah, that will be your entry. No purchases necessary. I'll send it out free of charge. So good luck to you all. I wish you could all win, but obviously you can't. I've only got one, kindly given to me by Haloview, so big thanks to them. I'll drop a link to this exact camera on their website, and a link to their website, so go check them out. They've got some good stuff on their website, and they seem to be a good company, a very patient company, because they've waited for a while for this video to come out. And with me umming and ahhing on what I was going to do with the camera and how I was going to try and use it and utilize it. Good luck to you all. So that's it for now, guys. Take it easy. Make sure you check out Haloview, because they're kind enough to donate this, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.